How to unlock your Snapchat account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can unlock your Snapchat account. In order to unlock your Snapchat account, at first you have to tap on your Snapchat account like this. After tapping on your Snapchat account, you can go to your profile like icon. Now if even this very portion is not working, then you can directly go to the option of Snapchat support there. Now here as well you can go to the help center on your settings. After tapping on the help center on the settings, now it will take you to an interface like this. After it takes you to an interface like this, what you can do is you can just go to the option of I can't access my account or my account is compromised. After that, you have to tap on the option of my account is logged. Here you can see all of these. Now if you'd like to do account appeals, you can tap on the option of here, and after tapping on the option of here, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now after it takes you to an interface like this, you have to go to the very option of the community guidelines, or if you do not want to do it, you can just go back person once again and again tap on my account is logged, and here you can go to the next here option. After tapping on the here option, you will see a lot of options what you can do if what is temporarily logged, if it's compromised, if it's unlocked, and all of these, and then you can just go here, log in, and select unlock. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.